Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Lexus RX330 tail light. First, ensure you have a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Next, open the rear hatch of your vehicle. This provides clear access to the tail light assembly. You will then need to locate the retaining screws, typically 2 or 3, that secure the assembly to the car's body. These are usually visible once the hatch is open. Now, with your screwdriver, carefully remove the retaining screws you just located. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight away from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but it should come free. After removing the assembly, locate the bulb socket. Give it a firm twist counterclockwise to release the old, faulty bulb. Be careful not to drop it. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old bulb removed, take your new bulb and carefully insert it into the socket. Twist it clockwise until it feels secure and locked into place. Next, align the entire tail light assembly back into its opening on the vehicle's body. Make sure it sits flush. Finally, reinsert and tighten the retaining screws you removed earlier. This will firmly secure the assembly, completing the replacement process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.